I'm a third generation owner, so we've been in business for over 50 years. Older, so we specialize in short run production manufacturing. We work for a number of different industries, most prominently the amusement park industry. So 60% of our gross business, we make all the seating and padding devices that go on amusement park rides. So there's not a roller coaster really anywhere in the world that we don't do some type of work for. We do a lot of work in the medical simulation industry. So as we walk through the facility and tour, you're going to see all kinds of body parts that go into certain simulators that are then sold to universities, hospitals, the military. And then we also do a lot of work for the aviation industry, the industrial industry, and you'll see we also have a division that specializes in the oil and gas industry.
Chris Shoulder. I work at disassembly. So after the molds are poured and they sit, I take them apart and get the parts out and make sure the mold's ready to go back to be painted. Well, my favorite part of what we do here is the fact that hardly anybody does what we do.
Brian Mitchell, I am the manager of the fiberglass tooling department. We build the molds that mold the foam pads for the amusement industry. The line where the mold's going to come apart. So what Dave did was he built that pattern in there, laid up that first half, pulled the pattern and his first half off of this board, flipped it over, and now he's laying up the second half.
My name is Andrew Vogelsong, and I am the customer service representative for the Ralph S. Alberts Company.
What's your name?
My name is Karina Guerrero, and I'm the HR manager here at Ralph Alberts. And it's kind of cool that it happens in Mountoursville. You know, I'm not, I'm from Jersey Shore. I'm not from that far away, and I never knew that they really existed until I applied here and started working here. So really cool.
Thank you.